Hi yogis, so welcome to our bedtime routine. This is a great ritual to do before bedtime. I love having a routine because it gets our minds ready for bed, and it's also really important that you make sure to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep a night. I know it's super hard. We have busy lives. We have a lot of things that we are trying to do. We have a lot of things on our mind. I love doing yoga before bed because it really does calm the body and the mind. So let's get started. So it's really important to have a routine before bed, and one of my favorite routines besides yoga is taking a milk bath. So taking baths have been scientifically proven to help you get a restful night of sleep, and I absolutely love milk baths in particular because it's just way more than just taking a hot bath. So my skin gets really dry, especially living here in Los Angeles, and milk powder actually hydrates the skin. So milk baths have Epsom salt in it as well. So especially if you're doing a lot of yoga, a lot of exercise, or just, doing what your daily life entails, it's important to take an Epsom salt bath, which actually detoxifies the body. And also while you're in a bath, you can close your eyes, you can relax and kind of de-stress. So you're getting all of these benefits in your bath, in your yoga practice. So I highly recommend taking a bath before bed. So you can do this in your PJs if you want, totally fine. You can do this in bed or you can do this in your bedroom. So just start seated, really basic. Start with your hands on your knees and just taking maybe your heart forward. You want to just slightly arch your spine. You can close your eyes if you want. Maybe dim the lights down. That will help kind of aid your body or get your body ready for a nice night of sleep. And then inhale the heart forward. And then exhale, round back. Find your breath. Inhale. And exhale. And just keep doing this a few times. Just let it feel really good. And then when you're ready, you can kind of take circular motions, just kind of changing up that movement a little bit. Maybe just going to the right. Eyes open, eyes closed. It really doesn't matter. It's up to you. Just kind of unwinding from your day. And go slow here. You don't want to make this super fast and wake up your body, energize your body. We don't want that. And then you'll switch directions. Inhale to the left. Exhale to the right. Maybe you do this before you brush your teeth or after you brush your teeth and wash your face. It's just a nice little nighttime routine. And then we'll do this one more time. And then just come back to center. And then when you're ready, you're just going to maybe take that butterfly pose. You're going to take your knees wide apart, your feet together, and you'll just take a nice deep breath in. Inhale. And then exhale, just kind of folding the upper body down. You can take your elbows towards your thighs, pushing your elbows just to get that deeper stretch. Relax your neck, relax your jaw. Breathe. Inhaling and exhaling through the nose, that deep ujjayi breath, pranayama. That's our life force, that yoga breathing. So slowly roll up, and then you'll just come into a nice easy seated pose. And I want you to just take your hands by the sides of your body, and then you're going to reach your right arm up and over. So you're just going to get a nice little side body stretch. Just take a deep breath in. And then exhale, we'll switch sides. Easy side body stretch on the other side. And then we'll just gently come back to center. And then gently you'll just take your legs forward and you'll come all the way onto your back. And if you want to do this in bed, you're totally welcome to, because you can just go straight to bed after this. So you're just going to take your knees in towards your chest, your hands onto your knees. And you'll just take a nice deep breath in. And then exhale. And then just start to take your knees in one direction. So it doesn't really matter which way or which direction you're going in, because we will switch the direction right now. So start to go the other way. Let your lower back relax. You can make these as big or small as you want. And then we'll just take our knees back towards our chest. We'll take our left leg long. You'll hug your right knee in. Just take a nice deep breath in. And then exhale, take the knee across your body. I love doing spinal twists at the end of a long day because it symbolizes letting go of the day. So kind of like a sponge wrings out any toxins or any dirt, extra stuff. We're doing that with our body. We're letting go of toxins, of stress, of tension, life. Just take a deep breath in. And then exhale, we'll switch sides. Gentle twist on the other side. Hug your left knee and deep breath in. Exhale, take it across your body. Spinal twist on the other side. Melt your left shoulder down. Relax the muscles in your face. Let go of that tension. Anywhere else in the body. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Come back to center. Knees come in towards our chest. And then just slowly take your legs long, and I want you to just take Shavasana. So Shavasana is corpse pose. We just let our bodies relax. We let our shoulders melt down. We're allowing our bodies to recharge just like when we're sleeping. And just take one more breath, inhale. And then exhale. And just stay here. And if you'd like, you can just go straight to sleep from here. Just letting go of the day. Namaste, you guys.